Welcome back to the channel, beautiful souls. Today we're diving into a powerful, all-natural remedy that's been making waves: aloe vera gel for hair growth. Whether you're on a healthy hair journey, recovering from damage, or trying to grow your edges back, aloe vera may be exactly what your scalp has been begging for. Let's break down the science, benefits, application, and how to use it for the absolute best results, especially if you have natural, curly, coily, or relaxed hair. What makes aloe vera so special? Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. It's packed with over 75 active compounds, including enzymes, amino acids, vitamins A, C, and E, and minerals like zinc and magnesium, all essential for hair health. One of its biggest strengths? Aloe vera helps reduce scalp inflammation and deeply hydrates the skin, creating a healthy environment for hair follicles to thrive. It also contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells and unclog pores. Think of it like this: if your scalp is soil, aloe vera is the natural fertilizer it's been waiting for. Benefits of aloe vera for hair growth. Here's what aloe vera can actually do for your hair. Stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, helping nutrients reach the roots faster. Reduces dandruff and itchiness thanks to its antifungal and antibacterial properties. Balances your scalp's pH to reduce oiliness and flakiness. Strengthens the hair shaft with essential amino acids, which helps reduce breakage. Adds shine and softness without any buildup or greasiness. If you're dealing with alopecia, postpartum shedding, or breakage from protective styles, aloe vera can be a game changer. How to use aloe vera gel on your hair. Here's a simple, effective method to apply aloe vera for hair growth. Start with clean, dry, or damp hair. If using fresh aloe vera, scoop out the gel from a leaf, or use pure store-bought aloe with no added alcohol. Apply the gel directly to your scalp using your fingertips or a squeeze bottle. Massage gently for 3 to 5 minutes. This boosts circulation and absorption. Smooth the gel through the length of your hair to detangle, hydrate, and add shine. Cover your hair with a shower cap or wrap and leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Rinse thoroughly or leave it in as a light styling gel. Your choice. Pro tip: use it as a pre-poo or post-wash scalp treatment 2-3 times a week for best results. Common mistakes to avoid: many people give up on aloe vera because they use it the wrong way. Let's clear that up. Mistake number 1: using aloe with alcohol or preservatives. This can dry out your hair instead of moisturizing it. Mistake number 2: leaving it in too long without rinsing can cause flakes or buildup, especially if you used fresh gel. Mistake number 3: applying to a dirty scalp. Product buildup blocks the nutrients from reaching your follicles. Solution: always apply to a clean scalp and stick with pure cold-pressed aloe gel or fresh leaf gel. Bonus growth boosting mixes. Want to take aloe vera to the next level? Try mixing it with other natural growth stimulants. Aloe and castor oil for thickening and regrowth, especially around thinning edges. Aloe and rosemary oil to stimulate dormant follicles and prevent shedding. Aloe and fenugreek paste for strengthening the hair shaft and adding volume. Aloe and rice water for shine, elasticity, and scalp nourishment. These combinations not only boost results but also allow you to customize your hair routine based on your needs. How long before you see results? Consistency is key. Most people see noticeable results in 4 to 6 weeks with regular use. That means reduced shedding, thicker roots, and healthier hair overall. Remember, natural remedies are gentle, but powerful over time. Stick with it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone on a hair growth journey. Comment below: have you ever tried aloe vera on your hair? What results did you get? Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips and stay tuned. Your healthiest hair is just getting started.